On Coins2Learn, you can profit like a pro even if you aren't one. That's what our Copy My Mentor feature is for. It allows you to automatically replicate in Binance the trades from one of our mentors. Do you want to start copying successful strategies? Check out this step-by-step guide on how to set up the feature on your account. First of all, you'll need to subscribe to the trading signals of a mentor. You can check out how to do that in our blog or help center. Then you have to get an API key and API secret from Binance. Those give third-party sites or applications like us the permission to manage your portfolio on the exchange. We use these credentials to copy a mentor's buy and sell orders on your behalf. By creating one and linking it to Coins2Learn, you'll allow us to view your coins and trade them. Don't worry, we can't move funds or withdraw money from your account. Now let's see how you can get your API key and secret on Binance. First, sign on to your Binance account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Register to create one. Remember to also set up two-factor authentication. This is a security procedure that guarantees you are really the person trying to access your account. Now that you are in, click on the Settings tab. Then click on API Management. Pick a name for this key, preferably Copy My Mentor, and click on Create. Then confirm the creation with your 2FA. You'll receive a confirmation email right after that. Open it and hit the Confirm New API Key button. This will take you back to Binance, where you will see your newly created API key and secret in the API List section. All done? Then it's time to set things up on Coins2Learn. Head over to Copy My Mentor on Menu and tap on the Settings tab. Copy your API key and secret from Binance and paste them respectively on the public key and private key fields in our platform. Finally, click the Save Changes button. Then go to the Dashboard tab, select your mentor, and turn on the feature. That's it! Setting up this feature is as easy as it will be to profit with it. If you followed this guide correctly, you are ready to make real money from Copy My Mentor. Go find a mentor and start copying now!